I'm Nicole Strothman, and I lead up the legal function at Moxie. And I have over 19 years of experience in aesthetics. I started, about 19 years ago, and I started working for a company that was really starting to grow. And they became one of the nationwide leaders in the space, grew to over 180 locations. And I really was there throughout that whole journey from location number 4 through 189. And actually ended up developing a lot of the laws that exist in the states today. So I drafted about 10 state laws, and it's been such a cool journey to watch the progression of the industry over time. The specialty has a lot of competing rules and regulations, for one, and so trying to navigate those challenges is extremely difficult. And that's where I think Moxie can come in and really help those entrepreneurs really navigate towards success and an understanding of what can help keep them in compliance with their business. One of the values that I think Moxie really brings about is the forms and templates and a lot of the documents that are really hard and very expensive to self-create. Think policies and procedures and protocols and standing orders, contract medical director agreements, employee handbooks. All of that now is part of the Moxie offering and really free to all their customers, which I think is a fantastic value. So the process that Moxie went through to develop those, it took a number of months. It took some great legal minds. It took a lot of really great medical input, medical directors. A lot of physicians had some input into that as well. And then folks that really just knew how to operate these businesses across the country that have done this before, they also gave input into these forms. So once all of that went in from a documentation standpoint, it went through a rigorous review to make sure that it could really scale across all different service types and all different types of customer needs. So really it was probably a 6-month undertaking. And I mean, gosh, if I could put a value on that, I mean, it would probably be upwards of $25,000, $35,000. I think that, a provider that's thinking about working with Moxie, one of the great values is that you're not alone. And this is an organization